Hello everyone, welcome to eLearning Zone. Today's topic is articles. We will learn the use of a, an and the here. Though this is a very small and simple topic, we get questions in CBSE, ICSE and various competitive exams from articles. So let us make this topic a little clear to you. Articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Articles in English language are of two types, definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the, the. It is used before a singular or a plural countable as well as uncountable noun. Now come to indefinite articles. Here we get a choice between a and an. A is used with the consonant sound and an for the vowels. For singular noun, it is for one. Now let us discuss more about the definite article the. This article indicates that the noun which we are talking about refers to something which is already known to the speaker or the person who is hearing it. For example, I am going to the restaurant. Here, the is specified, which means the restaurant is already known either to the speaker or the person who is hearing it. There are more uses of the. The is used when. There are some points I have mentioned here, so let us go through them one by one. The further description of the subject is given when we are specifying, when we are discussing more about the subject. My mother bought me the dress with a bow. Mother has got a dress. But now when we are talking about it, we know about the dress. So my mother bought me the dress with a bow. Second is when we are using the superlative forms. For example, Mr. Sharma is the most successful businessman. Amongst all the businessmen, he is the most successful businessman. The third point here I would like to mention is the is used when we talk about something that is unique. Unique means it's only one. The sun, the moon, the sky, the earth. When we are talking about only one of its kind. The fourth point states when we talk about the adjectives like first and last and furthermore. So let us take up an example here. The first man to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Now let us go further. Now let us discuss about the indefinite article are. This article is used when we talk about a singular noun. Singular means one. When we are talking about a singular noun, they do not refer to any particular person or thing. A is used with the words starting with a consonant sound. Example, a book, a bus, a glass of water, etc. Now let us come to the indefinite article an. This article is also used when we talk about a word beginning with a vowel sound. Example, an orange, an igloo, an early morning flight. All these words, all the first alphabets are the vowels. But now, however, there are a few exceptions to the general rule because vowels and consonants are sounds and not letters. So the first letter may be a consonant, but the sound produced while pronouncing the letter, if happens to be of a vowel, we use an. Similarly, a word may start with a vowel but is treated as a consonant based on the sound produced. Let us take an example here. An honest man, an L-shaped sofa, an hour. Before we end this video, let me just explain to you something which is called as a zero article. It refers to when we don't use any article with a noun. when we use abstract ideas while using uncountable nouns and there is no article with people's name. Example, this book. Do you like music? Amit. Thank you all for today. Hope the video was of use to you. This presentation is available for download in the description box. Happy learning. Thank you.